Good day, mathematicians. We are going to be going over your Check My Progress study guide for Chapter 12, Lessons 1 through 3. Now, for the first section, they asked you to name the polygon, determine if it appears to be regular or not regular. You might call it regular or irregular. So in grades 6 and above, they call them irregular polygons, but in 5th grade, they just say that they're not regular. Now, what does that mean? A regular polygon, all of the sides are the same length. And a not regular or irregular polygon, sides have different lengths. Okay, so let's take a look here. If we count the number of sides, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So this would be a hexagon. And this little dash or slash mark indicates that every side is the same measure. So this would be a regular polygon. Now, the word polygon, poly means many, and gon means angles. So polygon means a shape with many angles. And in this case, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 angles. Question 2, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So it is also a hexagon. And just by looking, you can see that all of the sides are not the same length. So this would not be a regular polygon. For your quiz, I would know all of the names of the shapes. So triangles, quadrilaterals, pentagons, hexagons, and so on. Octagons, septagons, nonagons, all that good stuff. All right. Determine the number of congruent sides, then classify the triangles based on the sides. Congruent means that they are equal in length. The symbol for congruent is equal, and then this little sideways S on top. That is the symbol for congruent. Question number 3. This triangle has 2 sides that are the same length. So I'm going to write 2. And it is called an isosceles triangle. In the following triangle, we have every side is a different length. So there are no sides the same, and we're going to call this a scalene triangle. The third type of triangle, which is not listed, is an equilateral triangle, and it has all of the sides the same length. Now, equal means equal, and lateral means lines, so just the name itself says that all the lines of the triangle are equal. So if you have a triangle where all the sides are equal, that would be called an equilateral triangle. Now we're going to classify triangles based on their angles. Every triangle has 2 acute angles, and then the third angle is where it gets its name. When we look at question number 5, this is an acute angle, this is an acute angle, This angle is greater than 90 degrees and it is an obtuse triangle. Therefore, the whole triangle is called an obtuse triangle. In question number 6, we have an acute angle, This box tells us that this angle is 90 degrees, therefore it is a right triangle because this is a right angle. The third type of triangle is an acute triangle, where all of the angles would be acute. So for your test, you want to make sure that you know all the different types of polygons and that what numbers match what names. Identify the triangles based on their sides and based on their angles. All right, good luck.